Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix muffled sound on your MacBook using simple system settings and quick audio tweaks. Let's go straight into it. First, check your sound output settings. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner, then open System Settings and go to Sound. Under Output, make sure your speakers are selected. If you are using headphones or a Bluetooth device, disconnect them and try to reconnect them. Next, adjust the volume balance. In the same sound settings, look for the balance slider. Make sure it is set right in the middle. If it is shifted left or right, one speaker will sound louder and the other may sound muffled or weak. Now turn off any audio effects. Go to System Settings, then Sound, and check if any sound enhancements or spatial audio features are enabled. Disable them temporarily to see if the sound becomes clearer. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelftStack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Next, restart your MacBook. This refreshes the audio system and clears temporary glitches that can cause muffled or distorted sound. Now check your speaker openings. Make sure there is no dust or blockage around the speaker grills. Even a small blockage can reduce sound quality and make audio sound muffled. Also, test different apps. Try playing audio in Safari, Music, or YouTube. If the issue only happens in one app, the problem is likely app-related, not your Mac speakers. Finally, update macOS. Go to System Settings, then General, then Software Update. Installing updates often fixes audio bugs and improves speaker performance. And that's it! You now know how to fix muffled sound on your MacBook using simple sound settings and quick system fixes. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video.